Understanding the customer journey, a guide for exceptional employee service training. The customer journey encompasses every interaction a customer has with a brand, from the first encounter to post-purchase support. Each stage represents a unique opportunity to strengthen the relationship, deliver excellent service, and transform casual customers into loyal advocates. For employees, mastering the customer journey fosters a culture of service excellence, enhances customer satisfaction, and ultimately drives business success. This training guide will explore the key stages of the customer journey, emphasize the influence of service at each phase, and provide actionable strategies to enhance customer interactions. The customer journey outlines the complete path a customer takes while interacting with a business. It is typically divided into 5 distinct stages. Awareness, where customers first learn about the brand or product. Consideration, the stage where customers assess whether the brand meets their unique needs. Purchase, the moment when the customer decides to make a transaction. Retention, a phase defined by nurturing the relationship to inspire repeat business. Advocacy, when satisfied individuals promote the brand through word of mouth, reviews, or social media. Each stage presents a chance to exceed expectations. Well-trained employees who are aligned with these stages are better equipped to deliver service that nurtures trust and loyalty. The awareness stage is the critical first point of contact where customers form impressions about the brand. Role of service. Employees should adopt a welcoming, informative approach, ensuring that customers receive accurate and approachable communication. Understanding the customer journey is crucial for training employees to provide exceptional service. This involves mapping out each step a customer takes from initial contact to post-purchase follow-up. By identifying key touchpoints, businesses can ensure that employees are well-equipped to meet customer needs at every stage. Training programs should focus on empathy, communication skills, and problem-solving to enhance customer satisfaction and loyalty. A potential customer engages with a live chat tool to ask basic queries about the product. A friendly, prompt response not only fulfills their needs, but also invites them to explore further. At this stage, customers are evaluating their options and comparing the business with competitors. Informative, empathetic service can greatly influence their decision. Role of service, Employees should personalize their approach, offering tailored recommendations and addressing concerns transparently. Understanding the customer journey, a guide for exceptional employee service training. A prospect visits a retail store and inquires about options within their budget. A knowledgeable staff member provides clear suggestions, shares upcoming promotions, and builds customer trust. The purchase stage is the pivotal moment where the customer commits. Flawless service at this point ensures a smooth experience and minimizes buyer hesitation. Role of service. Employees should confidently assist with transactions, address last-minute issues, and reassure the customer of their decision. Understanding the customer journey, a guide for exceptional employee service training. An e-commerce customer struggling with a discount code receives immediate assistance through live chat. The seamless resolution ensures they complete their purchase. Retention is a post-purchase phase requiring consistent engagement to maintain satisfaction and encourage continued interactions. Role of service. Proactive follow-up, support tools, and genuine concern for the customer's experience help solidify loyalty. Understanding the customer journey, a guide for exceptional employee service training. A software company provides an onboarding email series and ensures readily available support staff to assist with setup, fostering long-term satisfaction. When businesses consistently exceed expectations, customers often become advocates who promote the brand to their networks. Role of service. Recognizing and rewarding loyal customers can solidify the relationship and inspire grassroots promotion. Understanding the customer journey, a guide for exceptional employee service training. A loyal restaurant customer joins a VIP program offering exclusive offers, motivating them to share positive experiences with others. Disparities in service quality at different touchpoints may erode trust and hinder the customer journey. Ensuring cohesiveness across teams is vital. Retention and advocacy can often be overlooked in favor of new customer acquisition. Sustained relationships depend on equal focus throughout all stages. Modern customers have evolving expectations that differ across demographics or channels. Employees should remain agile and empathetic when meeting these shifting demands. Understanding the customer journey, a guide for exceptional employee service training. Providing employees with tools like a customer relationship management (CRM) system ensures consistent communication and empowers data-driven service personalization. Encourage employees to understand key touchpoints in the customer journey and the specific actions each stage requires. Equip employees with stage-relevant skills. **awareness***. Teach approachable communication for first impressions. Consideration. Build product knowledge and understanding of customer needs. Purchase. Train employees to resolve technical or logistical hurdles calmly. Retention. Foster proactive relationship management skills. Advocacy. Show employees how to develop loyalty programs and gather testimonials. Train employees to integrate technology that supports seamless service. Offer chatbots for instant responses at the awareness stage. Use CRM software to track customer preferences for retention efforts. Provide guidance on tailoring recommendations and communication. Personalized service shows the customer they are valued. Understanding the customer journey, a guide for exceptional employee service training. Netflix's algorithm-based suggestions inspire engagement by catering to individual preferences, offering employees inspiration to replicate such initiatives. Indicators of success in delivering excellent customer service include customer satisfaction, CSAT, tracks the effectiveness of specific touchpoint interactions. Net Promoter Score, NPS, measures the likelihood of customer referrals based on their experience. Retention rate reflects a business's ability to maintain long-term relationships. Conversion rate. Determines whether service influences purchasing decisions. For employees, understanding and addressing the customer journey is essential to providing exceptional service. With the right training, tools, and mindset, employees can create memorable experiences that turn one-time customers into lifelong advocates. Tracking performance and adopting best practices ensures the organization aligns with customer needs and evolves alongside them, fostering continuous growth and loyalty.